The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southern Cook County and northeast Illinois until
Tornado warning remains in effect until 10:45 a.m. for Paulding, Cobb, Fulton, and Douglas counties. At 9:32 a.m., Doppler radar still indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm was moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, Peachtree City, Atlanta. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may be already on the ground, or expected to develop shortly. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Take cover now. Go to a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor.